Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to change your Uber password in 2025. Whether you're ramping up your security or just forgot your old one, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. It's crucial to keep your account safe, especially with all the digital threats out there, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Uber app installed on your phone. Updating it ensures you're using the most secure version. Once that's done, open the Uber app and log in with your current credentials. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Next, tap on your profile icon, usually found in the top corner of the screen. It's that little picture or initials that represent you. From there, scroll down and select Settings or Account Settings. Look for the Security or Privacy section. That's where the magic happens. Now, find the option that says Change Password or something similar. Uber might prompt you to enter your current password for verification. Go ahead and type that in. Then, you'll be asked to create a new password. Make it strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, and aim for at least 8 to 12 characters long. Don't forget to confirm it by re-entering the new password in the next field. Hit Save or Update, and voila! Your password is changed. You might get a confirmation message, so keep an eye out for that. If you run into any issues, like the app not recognizing your current password, double-check your entry or try logging out and back in. A quick tip: after changing your password, consider enabling two-factor authentication if Uber offers it. It's an extra layer of protection. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.